Good morning all. My name is Kalpesh Gambhir Chaudhary and today is my topic is methods of string. So there are multiple methods of string in Java. So the string class has set of built-in methods they can use on string. So first suppose method character add. So character add return the character at the specified index means position and its return type is character. Next one is a code point at. So code point at return the unique code of the character at the specific index and its return type is int. Next one is a code point before. So the code point before return the unique code of the character before the specified index and its return type is int. So next one is code point count. So the code point count method return the unique code in the specified text range of this string and its return type is int. So next one is a compare to method. Compare to method compares two string lexicographically and its return type is int. So next one is a compare to ignore case. So compare to ignore case method compare to string lexicographically and ignoring case difference and its return type is int. So next one is concat. It means concatenation. So concat method append string to the end of another string and its return type is string. So next one is a contents method. So contents method check whether a string contains a sequence of character. So its return types it boolean because it return the value of true and false. So next one is a contact equal. So contact equal method checks whether a string contains of exact same sequence of character of the specified character sequence of string buffer or string buffer. So its return type is boolean because it is also return the value of true or false. So next one is a copy value of. So copy value of method return a string that represent the character of the characters of character array and its return data type is string. So next one is a ends with. So ends with method checks whether a string end with the specified character and its return type is boolean. Next one is a equal method. Equal method is compared to string return true if the string are equal and false if are not. So the return type is boolean. So next one is a equals ignore case. It means compared to string ignoring case consideration. So it return type also boolean. So next one is a format method. Format method return a formatted string using the specified local format string and arguments and its return type is a string. So next one is a get byte. So get byte method encode this string into a sequence of bytes using the name char set, sorting the result into a new byte array. So its return type is a byte. So next one is a hash code. Hash code method return the hash code of string. So its return type is a int. So next one is a getChar. GetChar is compile characters from a string to an array of character. So its return type is void. Next one is a index of. So index of method return the position of first found occurrence of specified character in a string. So its return type is int. Next one is a intern. Intern method return the canonical representation of the string object. so its return type is a string. Next one is a is empty. See, is empty method checks whether a string is empty or not. So it return a value true or false. So its return type is a boolean. So next one is the last index of. So last index of method return the position of the last found occurrence of specified character in a string. So its return type is a int. Next one is a length. So return the length of specified string and return type is a int. Next one is a replace method. Replace method searches a string for a specified value and return a new string where the specified value are replaced, and return type is a string. So next one is a two character array. Two char array means two char array method convert this string to a new character array. So it return type is a char. And the last one is a two uppercase method. So two uppercase method converts a string to uppercase letter, means his return type is a string. So there are the methods of string. Thank you.